Hi, welcome back to Graphixslice channel. Today we are going to discuss how to colorize the black and white image. Open a Photoshop. In that I'm going to take one black and white image. So now we are going to colorize this image. So first I'm going to duplicate this, use Ctrl J. So next make selection by using the quick selection tool. So in quick selection tool we have option, so select object or directly pick select object. Automatically it will select and identifies the object. See, automatically it will identify the object. So then if you want to select background, so then use invert selection, Ctrl Shift I, so automatically background will get selected. So next I'm going to fill background with green color effect. So just I'm going to apply a green color background, Alt delete. So then Ctrl D for deselect. Then use overlay option. After that, where you don't want green color background, just use a eraser tool and erase it. Okay, so I don't want an entire background, just I want only on the trees. Okay, and then if it looks more, so you can use opacity option. So here also you can increase or decrease the opacity. Okay, so this much is enough. So after that I'm going to apply a body color or else skin tone color for this model. So just use the selection tool. So we can use Ctrl plus for zoom in. So I'm going to select a face. For smooth selection you can use any other selection also, so but I am using quick selection tool. So this is also fine. Okay, so for these hairs hold Alt key and deselect. So to remove, select Alt key and remove the portion. Okay, so this is face, and for hand selection also I'm going to select. Okay, to deselect, hold Alt key and remove it. Okay, wherever you want to remove, just hold Alt key and remove the portion like this. So here also selected, use Alt key to deselect the portion. So automatically it will fine tunes the selection. So wherever you want, you can add a portion. See, just I'm going to select this portion again. So hold Alt key to remove unwanted portion. Just hold Alt key and remove the unwanted portion. Okay, done. So somewhere here also I'm going to deselect this portion. Next, so I'm going to use gradient effect. So take a new layer. So select gradient. I'm going to draw gradient effect. So draw gradient. So like this. So after that, so it's in new layer. Deselect and apply a overlay. Looks like this. I'm going to make one more layer. Ctrl J, and now I'm going to change the opacity and apply a hue saturation for this. So just go and apply a hue saturation and you can apply effects. See, like this. So if you want to make it reddish or else green, blue, whatever it may be, you can. So use reset Okay, next select these layers and I'm going to merge these layers and use overlay. So after that we can remove eyesight, color and other things. So use eraser tool to erase some errors. Okay, so like this we can prepare. After that use the selection tool. So for this, so how to select? Again same thing, go to the selection and use a selection tool. So I'll show you fast forward how to select it. So like this we selected the dress color portion. So next I'm going to add a hue saturation mask for this. So by using hue saturation layer, here we have a different types of presets. See here, so you can change the preset options, or else by using any preset. Say I'm using this preset and I'm going to change color like red. Okay, so after that we can increase or decrease the lightness. I'm going to make it 0, then saturation 60. This one here is in completely 0 to 360 is available. I'm going to make it 360 or 0. So like this we can change the background effect. See, we applied a green color background, so just we assign a overlay and we assign the opacity. Okay, and then for skin tone we prepared a hue saturation, just we assign simple gradient effect. So after that background is done, skin tone is done, and then dress color is done. After that some face effects we have to prepare. What are those? So first we have to remove skin tone for eyes. So I'm going to erase it. Use erase tool. I'm going to erase skin tone here. Okay, so after that if you want to prepare a lips color, so I'm going to prepare one more layer. So take a brush tool, so with opacity 60 and flow 62%, and I'm going to take a red color, so just brush it. So this is a new layer, right? Anytime anywhere we can erase by using eraser tool. Just prepare it and make a overlay, or else soft light. So this is enough. And then if it is a overlay, you may decrease the opacity also, increase or decrease the opacity. So I'm going to make up to 60, 70, 65 is enough. Then use eraser tool to erase somewhere outside the portion. So opacity 100, flow I'm going to increase up to 60. Somewhere you may clear the effects. Okay, done. So then for eyebrows, if I pick one more layer, same, I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to take a color little bit grayish, same, then opacity I'm going to apply 50, 62 flow, then prepare with new layer, and we can later reduce the opacity also. Okay, then use same effect, overlay, then decrease the opacity to 60. See, before, after, that's it. So I'm going to zoom out this, Control 0, see how it looks. And after that you can merge all the layers and make single together. Use overlay mask. So before and after, see the effect. So if you want to make some more effects, so just go to the selection, select object, so object select. After that you can highlight it by using image adjustments, brightness and contrast. Here I'm going to increase brightness 10 and even contrast 10. Okay, so along with that, here I want to increase dress color, use a selective color red. You may increase or decrease the color effect. See, here by using this one factor we can change the color effects. Not only hue saturation, by using selective color also we can apply effects. May increase or decrease. Okay, just use Ctrl D. So like this we can turn to, see, this is a black and white image and this one is a color image. So what are the process we did? So we did hue saturation, selective and background mask we used. So try this once. So I'll upload this black and white image in description, so try to do the same. If you are new to my channel, so don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit like also. So thank you very much.